Pitching change for Grand Canyon. Garrett Ahern comes in out of the bullpen, the third pitcher for GCU.
Well, we knew it'd be a day from the bullpen for GCU. We saw Garrett Ahern warming up earlier, the freshman local guy from Gilbert. 12 innings on the season, 5 walks, 5 strikeouts. Not shabby at all.
There's a strike. And a fly out. 1 for 2. Foul tip caught by Geiselman, strike 3. Put together a whole season's worth of work. Swing and a miss, strike 3. I'll tell you, putting in the work is Ahern, and today he's retired 9 in a row. Wow. 5.5 in the books. 1-1 tie. Stay with us.